Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix fast battery draining issues on iPhone 50, 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1. Check your battery usage. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on Battery. You can see appears on screen. Review the battery usage details. This will show you which apps or process are consuming is most battery. If you notice any specific app using an usage high percentage, it might be contributing to issue and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is enable background app refresh. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Tap on background app refresh. Tap on off and again on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update iOS version. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is disable your location services. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on Screen time. Tap on Content and Privacy Instructions. Tap on Location Services. Location services disabled and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Setting. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay, cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix fast battery draining issues on iPhone 50, 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.